Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and let's get into this. All right, as you can see here, I have a bone-in pork butt that I'm adding a rub to. I picked this rub up at my local grocery store. They make them in-house. I really enjoy them. I think this one was the Kansas City rub, if I remember correctly. So either make your own rub or pick up whatever your favorite one is from the store. And then you want to rub all sides again. Don't worry about overdoing it. It's fine. So every square centimeter of this is going to get some rub. And when it's looking a little something like this, we're ready to bring it out to the smoker. So you have your smoker set for 225, and you'll want to smoke this for hours. At least 4 if you plan to finish it off in the oven, but hell, up to 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 if you plan to do it all the way on the smoker. All right, we're a couple of hours in. Our butt's looking fine. All right, let's go in the house and make the sauce. All right, to start this sweet barbecue sauce off, you're going to want to melt a half a stick of butter. And then to that, we're going to want to add 2 cups of ketchup. There, we're getting done. Added the second cup. Then you want to give this a quick whisk. Once you got that little quick whisk done, time to add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to eyeball about a 1/4 cup of molasses. Then we want to add a cup of brown sugar and our spice mix, which is a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of dry mustard, a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of chipotle powder. If you can't find chipotle powder, cayenne pepper is a perfect substitute, a teaspoon of pepper, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Then you just want to whisk this together, make sure it's nice and smooth, and then you want to simmer this over medium to medium-low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Then let it cool and pour in a condiment bottle. As always with any sauce, make sure you taste it while it's cooking so you can adjust seasoning. Okie dokie, through the magic of cooking show editing, the pork is done and the sauce is done. Now it's time to assemble our sweet pork barbecue sliders. So you're going to want to start off with some slider buns that have been nicely toasted. And we're going to add some of that smoked pork meat. Then we're going to spoon some of that sweet barbecue sauce over said pork. Add 1/4 slices of Colby Jack cheese. Then a whole mess of shreddis. And put the top buns on top. So that's sweet barbecue pork sliders. Done.